morning students. How are you all? Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you're all fine and safe at home. So in today's class we are going to learn grammar. Okay. So in grammar we are going to see the topic nouns. N-O-U-N-S nouns. Are you ready to learn? Okay. So first let us see what is meant by nouns. So nouns are naming words. So nouns are naming words. So what is meant by naming words? Look at here. I have given example: Ram, dog, school, pen. So these are all the naming words. For example, this scale and this duster and watch. So these are all the naming words. Okay. So the noun is nothing but it's a naming word. And naming words. So I have written the definition for naming words. Naming words refers to the name of the person, place, thing or an animal. Okay. So naming words is nothing but it refers to the name. It refers to the name. Of whom? Yes, it refers to the name of the person, place, thing or an animal. So it may be the person, place, thing or an animal. So if we refer to the name of those things, that is called as the naming words. So what is meant by nouns? Yes, nouns are the naming words. And what is meant by naming words? Naming words refers to the name of the person, place, thing or an animal. So I have written example for the naming words. So person, place, thing, animal. And the example for person is boy, girl. Okay. The example for person is boy, girl. And the example for place is zoo, park. Zoo, park. And the example for thing is pen, ball. Pen, ball. And the example for animal is cat, dog. Cat, dog. So what are these called as? Yes, these are called as the naming words. So boy is a naming word, girl is a naming word, and zoo is the naming word of a place. Park is also name of a place of a naming word, and pen, ball. So what is these are called? Yes, these are called as the things. Okay, things. So this is the naming word of things. Likewise, cat, dog. These are the animals. These are the naming word of animals. Have you understood what is meant by noun and what is meant by naming word? I'll repeat it once again. So nouns are naming words. Okay, N-A-M-I-N-G, naming words. W-O-R-D. Yes, words. So nouns are nothing but it's the naming words. Example: Ram, dog, school, pen. And what is meant by naming words? Naming words refers to the name of the person. P-E-R-S-O-N. Person. Place. P-L-A-C-E. Place. Thing. T-H-I-N-G. Thing. Or an animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. So this is called as the naming words. And the example for these naming words are person, boy, girl, place, zoo, park, thing, pen, ball, animal, cat, dog. Have you understood this, students? Next we are going to see about the types of nouns. Okay, so noun has many types. So in this class we are going to see about only two types. And what are those two types? Yes, the first one is the common noun and the second one is the proper noun. Okay, C-O-M-M-O-N, common noun. Next one is proper noun. P-R-O-P-E-R, proper noun. Okay, tell me how many types we are going to see in this class? Yes, we are going to see only two. And what are they? The first one is common noun and the second one is proper noun. So first we are going to see about what is meant by common noun. Shall we see? So So this is the definition for common noun. A common noun is a noun that we refer the naming word in general. Okay, a common noun is a noun that we refer the naming word in general. So common noun means it's nothing but it's also a type of noun. Okay, it's also a type of noun. That means the naming word. That we refer the naming word in general. That we refer the naming word in general. So you already know what is meant by naming word. So if we refer those naming word in general, in common, that is known as the common noun. Okay, that is known as the common noun. So a common noun is a noun that we refer the naming word in general. So what is the naming word? Yes, the name of the person, place, thing or the animal. So if we refer the noun in a general form or in a common form, that is known as the common noun. So look at here. So flowers. So flowers is the common noun. So I have drawn 3 varieties of flowers. Okay, I have drawn 3 varieties of flowers. So the flowers, but I have mentioned those things in a common way as flowers. Okay, so I didn't mention them in a specific name. Okay, so I have written in the common name as flowers. So I have given them a common name as flowers. So that is known as the common noun. So common noun is nothing but when we refer the naming word in general, that is known as common noun. And the second one is the proper noun. So what is meant by proper noun? A proper noun is a noun that mentions the particular naming word. Okay, so proper noun, it's nothing but it's also a noun. Okay, so in proper noun, it mentions the particular naming word. So in common noun, when we mention them in a common way or in a general way, that is known as the common noun. But in proper noun, we have to mention them in a particular naming word. Okay, particular naming word. For example, rose. Okay, rose is a flower. So when we say flower, it comes under common noun. Okay, but if we say the flower as a rose by giving it a specific name, okay, by giving it a specific name, it comes under proper noun. Okay, have you understood? So if we say in general, it is known as the common noun. But if we say in a specific manner, that is known as the proper noun. So I have given the name for this flower as rose. So rose is a specific name of a flower. So it comes under proper noun. Have you understood, students? Shall we recall from first? So first of all, what we have seen? Yes, we have seen what is meant by nouns. So what is meant by nouns, tell me? Yes, nouns are nothing but it's the naming word. And what is meant by naming word? Yes, naming word means it's nothing but it is the name of the person, place, thing or an animal. So these are the naming words. And what are the types we have seen in this class? How many types we have seen? Yes, we have seen only 2 types. And what are those types? The first one is common noun and the second one is the proper noun. And what is meant by common noun? So common noun means it's nothing but it's also a noun. But what we have to do? We have to refer the naming word in general. Okay, so if we mention them in a common name or in a general name, that is known as the common noun. For example, flowers. Okay, let me tell you another example. Animals. Is animals a common noun or a proper noun? Tell me. Yes, animals are the common noun because there are many kinds of animals. Okay, so while mentioning in a common way, we have to say it as animals. And for proper noun, how we have to say? Tiger. So if we mention the name tiger, it comes under the proper noun. Okay, because I am giving a specific name for the animal. So what is the proper noun? Proper noun is a noun that mentions the particular naming word. Okay, so if we mention the naming word in particular or in a specific way, that is known as the proper noun. So rose is a flower. Okay, but I am giving a specific name as rose, so it comes under proper noun. Okay, have you understood what is meant by noun and its types, the common noun and the proper noun, children? Okay students, so now we are going to see the difference between the common noun and the proper noun. So I have differentiated the both. The first one common noun and the second one is proper noun. So the definition of common noun is common noun is used to mention the names in general. Okay, common noun is used to mention the names in general. So just now we have seen. So proper noun is used to mention the names in particular. Proper noun is used to mention the names in particular. So if we mention the names in common or in general form, it's known as common noun. And if we mention in a particular or in a specific name, that is known as the proper noun. And the examples are mother, dog, school. Okay, mother. So it's a common name. And here we didn't mention the name of the mother. Okay, we have told only in the common way. And dog. So in dogs also there are many varieties of dog. But we have mentioned here in the common name as dog. Likewise, school. Okay, so there are many schools. So but we have mentioned here in the common name as school, and we didn't give a specific name for the school. So mother, dog, school. So these comes under the common noun. Okay. Now look at here. Reena. So for mother, I have given a specific name as Reena, and for the dog, I have given a specific name as Jackie, and for school, I have given a specific name as Alpha. So in this case, I have given the names in a particular or in a specific manner. So these three comes under the proper noun. Okay. So if it gives a particular name, what it's called as? Yes, it's called as the proper noun. And third one, common nouns do not begin with capital letters unless starts at beginning. Okay, so common nouns do not begin with capital letters. Do common nouns begin with capital letters? No, unless if it comes at the beginning of the sentence, it won't start with the capital letter. Okay, but in proper nouns, it always begins with capital letters. Okay, look at here. So for Reena, it starts with capital letter, and for Jackie, it starts with capital letter, and for the school Alpha, it starts with the capital letter. So proper nouns always begins with capital letter. But in common noun, if unless it starts at the beginning of the sentence, it comes only in the small letters. Okay, so common nouns do not begin with capital letters unless starts at the beginning. Have you understood the differences of these two? So common noun is used to mention the names in general. Proper noun is used to mention the names in particular. So the example for common noun is mother, dog, school, and the example for the proper nouns are Reena, Jackie, and Alpha. And the third point is common nouns do not begin with capital letter unless starts at beginning. So these words starts with the beginning. So I have written the capital letter. But if it comes in the middle of the sentence, it has to be starts with small letter. Okay. And proper nouns always begins with capital letter. Have you understood this differences, children?
Okay students, now let us do an activity. I am going to show you some things. You have to identify the name of those things. What is this? Yes, this is a goat. And what is this? Yes, this is a cow. And what is this? Yes, this is a house. And what is this? Yes, it's a tree. And what is these words, these things are called as? Yes, these things are called as the naming word because each thing has different name. So, house, cow, goat, tree. So, each thing has different names. They have a naming word. So, it's called as the noun. Noun refers to the naming word of the person, place, thing or the animal. So, these are the nouns. Now, let us see the common noun and the proper noun. Look at this board, children. So what kind of noun is this? Yes, the fruits is a common noun. Okay, fruits is a common noun. So each fruit has given a specific name. For example, mango, jackfruit, banana, grapes, custard apple, guava. So likewise, each fruit has been given a specific name. So if we give a specific name to each fruit, that is known as the proper noun. If we say in a common name, that is known as the common noun. Look at the second board. Is bird a common noun or a proper noun? Yes, birds is the common noun. So the hen, the peacock, the pigeon, these birds comes under this. Okay, so it's a common noun. If you give a specific name to each bird, that is known as the proper noun. The flowers is a common noun because there are many varieties of flowers like sunflower, lotus, rose, lily. Okay, so the flowers is the common noun, and if we give a specific name to each flower, that is known as the proper noun. And the next one is the animals. Okay, so animals is the common noun. If I give a special name to each animal like cow, deer, goat, and that is known as the proper noun. If we say in a common name, that is known as the common noun, and if we say in a specific name or in a particular name, that is known as the proper noun. And the next one is the trees. So trees is a common noun because there are many kinds of trees. But here I am going to give a name as a coconut tree. Okay, so coconut tree is a proper noun because of the specific name. Last one is the house. So the house is a common name because there are many kinds of house. So now I am going to give the name of this house as a bungalow. Okay, so I am going to give this house a special name as bungalow. So it's a proper noun. Students, hope you all understood the concept of the proper noun and the common noun.
Okay students, so now we are going to do exercises using these common noun and proper noun. Are you ready? So examples of common noun and proper noun. So I have written 6 sentences. So what we are going to do? We are going to identify the common noun and the proper noun. So for common noun, we have to put box in the yellow color, and for proper noun, we are going to put box in the pink color. Okay, look at the first sentence. Rekha is a kind lady. Okay, Rekha is a kind lady. So how many nouns are there in the first sentence? Yes, there are 2 nouns. And what are those 2 nouns? The first noun is Rekha and the second noun is the lady. So is Rekha a common noun or a proper noun? Yes, Rekha is the proper noun because it's a specific name of a girl. So for common noun, for a proper noun, we have to put box in the pink color. So it's a proper, it's a specific name of a girl. So it's a proper noun. And this lady comes under the common noun. Okay, lady is the common name. It's not a particular name, it's a common name. So I have boxed it in a yellow color. My second sentence, Divya played with her sister. Divya played with her sister. Is Divya a common noun or a proper noun? Yes, it's a proper noun because it's a specific name. So if the specific name comes, in what noun it comes under? Yes, it comes under the proper noun. And this sister, is sister a common noun or a proper noun? Yes, the sister is the common noun. It's not a proper noun. And the third sentence, Peter has a pet cat. Peter has a pet cat. So Peter is a proper noun because it's a specific name of a boy. Okay, it's a specific name of a boy. So it's a proper noun. And cat is a common noun. Okay, cat is a common noun. because the cat's name is not mentioned here. Okay, the name of the cat is not mentioned in this sentence. They have been referred in a common name as cat. So the cat is the common noun. And the fourth one, my father is a doctor. My father is a doctor. So father is a common noun. Okay, father is the common noun. And doctor. So doctor is the proper noun. Doctor is the proper noun because it refers to the profession. Okay, it refers to the profession. So doctor is the proper noun. My school name is Alpha. My school name is Alpha. Is school a proper noun or a common noun? Yes, there are many schools. So the name of the school is not mentioned here. It has been mentioned only school. So the school comes under the common noun. And at last, the name is Alpha. Okay, the name is Alpha. So Alpha is the name of the school. The school has been given a specific name as Alpha. So if the sentence has a specific name, what we have to do? We have to box it in pink color because it's the proper noun. Okay, it's the proper noun because it's the name of the school. The school has been given a specific name. And the last sentence, this is my dog. Its name is Ruby. Okay, this is my dog. So what is dog? Is dog a common noun or a proper noun? Yes, dog is the common noun because there are many varieties of dogs, but the name of the dog is not mentioned here. So it's a common noun. Its name is Ruby. Okay, the name of the dog is Ruby. So there is a dog. The dog has been given a specific name, a particular name as Ruby. So it's the proper noun. Are you understood the students? Shall we see from first? So Rekha is a kind lady. So Rekha is a specific name of a girl. So it's known as a proper noun. And lady is the common noun. Divya played with her sister. So Divya is the specific name. So it's a proper noun and sister is a common noun. Peter has a pet cat. Peter is a specific name of a boy. And here cat is a common noun because the name of the cat is not mentioned here. And in the fourth sentence, my father is a doctor. So father is a common noun. And doctor is the profession. Okay, so a specific profession has been mentioned here as doctor. So it's a proper noun. And the fifth sentence, my school name is Alpha. Here school, they have mentioned only the school, but they didn't mention the name of the school here. Okay, so it's a common noun. And at last they have mentioned the specific name as Alpha. So if they mention the specific or particular name, that's known as the proper noun. And at last, this is my dog. Its name is Ruby. So dog is a common name. Okay, so the name of the dog is not mentioned. So it's a common name. And at last, they have mentioned the name of the dog as Ruby by giving a specific name. So it comes under the proper noun. Have you understood the students? Okay students, so next we are going to do identifying the nouns. Okay, identifying the nouns. So I play the guitar. I play the guitar. So what is the noun in the sentence? Yes, guitar is the noun because it's a naming word of the thing. So it is the noun. And the second sentence, your sister is tall. Your sister is tall. So sister is the naming word of a person. So it's the noun. And the third sentence, my watch is green. Okay, green color. So my watch is green. And here watch is the naming word of the thing. So it is the noun in this sentence. And the fourth one, Mary and John went to park. Mary and John went to park. So there are many nouns in this sentence. The first one is Mary and the second one is John and the third one is the park. Because this Mary and John are the naming word of the person and this park is the naming word of a place. So Mary, John and park are the noun in the fourth sentence. The fifth one, the ball fell into the well. The ball fell into the well. So ball is the naming word of the thing and well is a place. Okay, well is a place. And so ball and well are the naming words. So these are the noun in the fifth sentence. The last one, the boy eats an apple. The boy eats an apple. So boy is the naming word of a person and apple is the naming word of a fruit. Okay, it's a naming word of a fruit. So the boy and apple are the noun in this sentence. So guitar, sister, watch, Mary, John, park, ball, well, boy, apple. So these are all the noun in these sentences. So how do we identify the noun? We identify the noun with the naming word of a person, place, thing or an animal. Have you understood this children of how to do it? Okay. The next one. Think of a proper noun for each common nouns. Okay. Think of a proper noun for each common noun. So I have written the common nouns. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write the proper noun for each common noun. Shall we do? Okay, school is the common noun. And what is the proper noun of school? Yes, for example, alpha. Okay, alpha is the proper noun because it's a specific name of a school. Likewise, month. Month is the common noun because there are many months. So how many months do we have? We have 12 months. So month is the common noun. And for proper noun, let us say December. Okay, December is the proper noun because the specific month. And for day is the common noun, so I am going to write Sunday. Sunday is the specific day, so is the proper noun. And the fourth one, planet. So there are many planets. Planet is the common noun and I am going to write a proper noun for this common noun, planet. So Mercury. Mercury is the specific name of one planet. And the fifth one, actor. Actor is a common noun. So I am going to give a proper noun as actor Vijay. Okay. So it's a specific name of one actor. And mountain. So there are many mountains. So it's a common noun. Mountain is a common noun. And I am going to give an example as Mount Everest. Mount Everest. So Mount Everest is a specific name of a mountain because there are many mountains like Himalayas, so etc. So there are many mountains. So mountain is the common noun and Mount Everest is the proper noun. So these are all the common nouns. I have written the proper noun by this common noun. Okay, have you understood how to do this? So think of a proper noun for each common noun. So school, alpha, month, December, day, Sunday, planet, Mercury, actor, Vijay, mountain, Mount Everest. Okay, have you understood this how to do these exercises? Okay, students, and this is the time for your home assignment. Okay, complete the given worksheet. Complete the given worksheets. So worksheets will be sent for you using these nouns that we have seen just now. So what you have to do? You have to write those worksheets without doing any mistakes. Okay. So hope you all enjoyed this class. See you in the next class. Thank you everyone.